Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off by putting a concealer on the base of my eyelids just before I apply the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelids. Let me just get a mirror. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 430. So it's this. Okay. And I'm just going to use the Real Techniques concealer brush. I'm just going to dab the concealer in my eyelids. Okay, so I'm just going to dab that on my eyelids like this. I'm just gliding that on my eyelids. And as you can see, it's starting to morph in my skin. So how's everybody feeling? Like, to be honest, like I don't even know how to feel about what's going on. Like, you know, I'm just trying to take each day how it is and just see what happens. I'm just dabbing this in. You know, as long as you guys have your family, you know, your friends that you're staying with and you're keeping safe, that should be fine, you know. I'm just dabbing that in. Just dabbing that in. Just underneath the brows as well. So as you can see, I've already done my brows. I did those off camera. So now I'm just going to, and I'm going to show you. I've got these two eyeshadows from Inc.redible. And I believe it's from Nails Inc., but they've got their own cosmetics line. So this is the shade Just Do You. And let me just show you. Ooh, oh, it's a bit crumbly, so I can't actually tilt it. But I'll just show you on my hands. Let me see if I can put it on my thumb. On the back of my hand. I'm just building it up. This is how it looks, as you can see. You might not actually see it actually. It's like a coppery colour. And then this next colour is called Kinda Care, Kind of Don't. I wonder if I can tilt this one. And it's like a really nice gold. It's so pretty. And I'll show you this on my skin as well. This is how it looks like on my finger, and I'll show you on my skin. That's how it looks. I don't think you can see it, but I'll apply it on my eyelids anyway. Just tap it on my finger like that so it's not too much on my eyelids so far, because I may have to put a little bit more concealer. Ooh, ooh. Very pretty. As you can see, it may not be picking up the same pigmentation as in real life, but once I add everything on, you'll start to see it. So I'm just going to build it up. Once again, I'm just tapping it on my hands. So I'm just wiping just the excess of the eyeshadow off my hands before I use the other eyeshadow just for the middle, just to really stand out on these eyelids. Okay, so once again, I'm using Kinda Care, Kind of Don't. I'm just gonna tap that in on my hands because it's very pigmented, like literally. Ooh, so you can see that gold tint in the middle. So you can see the gold. I'm just going to tap that again and apply that on the middle of these eyelids. Okay, so now I'm going to use Mocha Mami. No, now I'm going to use Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty. So it is a bronzer, but I'm just going to use it just to enhance and just give it a nice deep colour on the outer corners. I'm going to do that now. Just going to tap that so it's not too much on my eyelids. I'm just putting that on the top corners of my eyelids, on the edge. And it kind of just smooths everything out, to be honest. As you can see. So it's kind of a red undertone. I find this bronzer a little bit too red for my complexion, but however, it's a great bronzer. Compared to all the other bronzers that I've used in the past, it actually enhances my complexion and actually works as a bronzer. So that's done. So I'm going to go on to using this liquid gold highlighter just as a base for the skin, just so when I do put the foundation in, it really gives it that nice glow. Hi guys, so this is the highlighter, the liquid highlighter. I know it looks like a lot, but once I put the foundation on, it looks so much better. So as you can see guys, I've literally done the foundation off camera. If you haven't seen my previous video, I think I use this foundation. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and it's in the shade 16 Neutral, so it's this colour. So I've used that for my foundation, and I've also added the concealer as well, as you can see, which is the same concealer I use for the base of my eyelids, which is Fenty Beauty in the shade 430, which is also a neutral colour as well. So next up, I'm going to set my face, and this is my all-time fave setting powder. I used to use the Sacha Butter Cosmetics, but I realised that it gave me a lot of flashback when I was actually applying it on my face and going out and taking pictures. So I'm actually going to apply this to set my concealer. So I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques setting brush. So this is how it looks. It's just a cute little small thing that you just pat underneath your eyes. And as you can see, it's a really nice orangey colour. It's called Terracotta. So it's kind of like a yellow sort of red base mixed together, which is sort of like my undertone. So I'm not adding too much as I want a really natural finish. And I'm just tapping that. And I'm going to go in doing the other side. So as you can see, it's set my face really nicely. So I'm just going to do on this side. So next up, I'm going to contour a little bit of my forehead and my cheekbones. As you all know, and if you've been watching all my videos, I love this Makeup Forever Professional Contouring Sculpting Palette, and I love using this really nice rich brown colour. And I think it's in the shade, I think I've said this before, Ombre. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to just take this contouring brush. I think it's by B Cosmetics, I'm not too sure actually. I'm just going to dab this in because I don't want too much. Okay. Let me just start off with the cheekbones. going to build that up, not too much. So like pigmented as well, the contour shades, which I really like, and it's the perfect brown. I haven't got a powder to set my contoured areas, however I'm going to bronze my face instead, so I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, which I use to create the cut crease in my eyes and just the outer corners as well. So I'm going to use that just to set the forehead and the cheekbones and underneath my chin. I'm just using a little bit, just dabbing that in. I'm just going to work it. I might have to dab it on a bit actually, just so it's not too harsh. That's nice. Actually, before I add the lipstick, I'm going to set my face and then add the highlighter. So as you know, I still got this, so I'm not getting anything else once this finishes, and there's nowhere to go anyway. So I'm going to use these NYX Professional Makeup, bear with me. I'm just going to set my face now. So now I'm going to use the Pure Glow highlighter in the shade Champagne from Primark, and this is the shade Bling Bling. And I'm going to use this fan brush just a little bit on my cheekbones and my nose. For my lips, I'm just going to use any black pencil, to be honest. I'm going to use the NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil because it's really black. So I'm going to use it just to line my lips. And then I'm going to go in using the Kiko Liquid Lip Pencil in this colour, which is really pretty. It's a nice red. It's not a Louboutin red, but it's nice. And it's in the shade 90. Okay, so I'm going to apply that now. I've already prepped and primed my lips. I think I've said that, I'm not too sure. In with this red liquid lip liner or liquid lip pencil. So it's kind of like a vampy look actually, these lips. So just to enhance the red, I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Roo, which suits every skin type from fair to really dark. So I'm going to apply these on my lips.
This is a Ryan Little production.
So this is the lipstick. So now I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I'm going to show you the finished look. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I'll put the description below of which eyelashes I use. I actually can't remember at this moment, but I'll find out and I'll put it in the description bar. If you like this look guys, don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And once again guys, keep safe and until next time. Thank you. Bye.